We are going to do three things. Okay. So the first is comparison between British accent and American accent. So just a little bit comparison. So I'm sure you're familiar with this already, or somehow particularly.
Somehow particular.
And then the next would be the basic phonetic sounds. But we're for this course we're going to focus on American because it's American accent training. And lastly, it's going to be the common difficult sounds for Japanese. So mostly exposure to the
Wow.
pronunciation. Okay. All right. So shall we start? So pronunciation, ma'am, is muscle movement. You cannot really teach pronunciation, especially to those second language learners, just by repeating itself. Repeat after me. No, that doesn't really work. For pronunciation, because in order for us to produce sounds, we have to use articulators or the muscles, right?
Yes.
All right. So for each language, we have certain positions that we do in order to make the sounds. So the positioning and the muscle movement is very important. If you, in order to do the pause, just
Ah,
relax your tongue. Yeah, pause.
pause.
Yes, feel that the sound is actually coming from the back of the throat.
Ah,
Ah.
oh.
Yeah. So that is the British pause,
Pause.
ask,
Pa.
gloss.
Ah, yes. Yeah.
Right. Tongue is forward
Forward.
for the
Back.
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 TIP.
Tip.
Okay, it's not tip, it's tip.
Tip.
So it's a relaxed sound. Yeah,
E.
this is the eh. Now
Eh.
put it farther down.
Ah,
Sound.
eh.
So
Okay.
okay.
Eh, Ah, okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
SH sound
Shh.
with voice
Zh.
with more vibration.
Zh.
Yeah, good. And then when the L, focus on the tongue. R, focus on the throat.
Okay, focus on our throat. It helps a lot, sir. So
Oh,
thank you very much.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
Yeah, but I really learned a lot. Although we had this one before, sir, in college, like IPA, but this one really made me more realize more the theory and some like the reason why we had this sound.
Yes.
Like it's like learning from you in 2 years. Wow, it's
Yeah.